Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making teriyaki chicken bowls. So I'm going to show you how to make the teriyaki chicken. The ingredients that we're going to need today are cooked rice, 2 pounds of chicken breast. We're going to need scallions, water, canola oil, cornstarch, low sodium soy sauce, sesame oil, ground white pepper, pineapple juice, brown sugar, salt, garlic cloves, and also fresh ginger, and 1 pineapple. Alright guys, I have all my ingredients measured out. 2 pounds of chicken breast, which you want to cut into cubes, 1 pineapple. You're going to want 2 cups of the long grain white rice already cooked, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, your 1 pineapple, 1/2 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 3 teaspoons of water, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, and I also have my scallions cut up for garnish at the end. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut our pineapple into half. Okay guys, once you have your pineapple cut into half, we're going to take our knife and we're just going to go down straight across, and we're going to score our pineapple. Okay guys, as you can see, I scored our pineapple. Like I said, you just want to cut down into it and then make your squares. And all we're going to do now is grab a spoon and scoop the inside out. Okay guys, once you have the inside of your pineapple out, all we're going to do is set that to the side. Okay guys, in this bowl all I added was my cornstarch and my water, and I mixed it until it was well combined. Okay guys, in a separate bowl I mixed our soy sauce, our pineapple juice, sesame oil, our garlic and our ginger, and our brown sugar. And all you want to do is mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, we're going to bring our frying pan to temperature, and we're going to go ahead and add our canola oil in. Okay guys, once your frying pan reaches temperature, we're going to go ahead and pour our chicken in. Okay, we're just going to move it around in the canola oil. Now you want to take your salt and go ahead and season it with the salt, and also your white peppers. And mix until well combined. And we're going to cook our chicken for 10 minutes. Okay guys, once your chicken is done, all you want to do is go ahead and add your sauce to it. We're going to mix that until it's well combined, and we're going to bring it to a simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, next you're going to pour your cornstarch and water in. And we're just going to mix that until it's well combined and until our sauce thickens. Okay guys, as you can see, our chicken is now done and our teriyaki sauce has thickened up. So all I'm going to do is pour this into a bowl. Okay guys, so I have my pineapple and I have my white rice and also my chicken. So all we're going to do now is get a spoon, and you're just going to put your rice in to your pineapple. Just like that. Okay guys, next what you want to do is go ahead and spoon in your chicken over top. Alright guys, now that you have your chicken on top, I'm just going to go ahead and get some scallions and just put them over top for garnish. Okay guys, so this is how you make your teriyaki chicken and your teriyaki chicken bowl. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please come back. Please like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.